For thousands of years, the Egyptian pyramids have stood as monuments to an ancient civilization's power, precision, and mystery. But what if everything we've been told about them is wrong? Beyond the official narratives of tombs and pharaohs lies a much stranger story, one that points to forgotten technologies, global cover-ups, and even possible contact with beings from beyond our world. From the uncanny engineering precision of the Great Pyramid to the unexplained energy theories and rumors of hidden chambers kept secret by global institutions, these ancient structures may be holding secrets that could rewrite human history as we know it. In this video, we dive deep into the theories that challenge everything you think you know about the pyramids of Egypt. One of the most popular and enduring conspiracy theories about the Egyptian pyramids is that they were built not by human hands alone, but with the help of extraterrestrial beings. Commonly referred to as the ancient astronaut theory. Proponents argue that the sheer scale, precision, and astronomical alignment of the pyramids are far too advanced for a civilization that supposedly lacked the wheel, iron tools, or modern engineering. How did a Bronze Age society cut, transport, and position multi-ton stone blocks with millimeter accuracy? The answer, they claim, lies in alien intervention. The theory suggests that ancient Egyptians may have had direct contact with alien visitors who either provided them with advanced construction technology or physically participated in building the pyramids. These beings, often depicted as gods in ancient texts and carvings, are believed to have passed down knowledge far beyond what should have been possible for the time. Some theorists point to the uncanny alignment of the pyramids with Orion's belt, the golden ratio proportions, and global similarities in megalithic architecture as evidence of a shared extraterrestrial influence across ancient cultures. Furthermore, proponents highlight how there is no definitive explanation for how such precise construction was achieved. Mainstream archaeology attributes it to ramps, pulleys, and human labor, but conspiracy theorists counter that these explanations are speculative and often ignore glaring logistical challenges. To them, the pyramids stand not just as monuments to human ambition, but as massive, mysterious markers of alien contact, evidence hidden in plain sight. Another fascinating theory pushed by conspiracy theorists is that the Egyptian pyramids, especially the Great Pyramid of Giza, weren't tombs at all, but in fact ancient power plants designed to harness and transmit energy. According to this view, the internal layout, material composition, and geographic positioning of the Great Pyramid suggest a far more advanced technological purpose than conventional historians acknowledge. Supporters of this theory often point out that the pyramid's internal chambers and shafts resemble components found in modern energy systems. For instance, the Grand Gallery is believed by some to have functioned like a resonating chamber, amplifying natural vibrations from the earth. The King's Chamber, lined with pink granite containing high amounts of quartz, may have acted as a conductor or capacitor. They argue that the combination of materials, limestone casing stones on the outside, which are excellent insulators, and granite on the inside, was no accident, but part of a design to control energy flow. One of the most controversial claims is that the pyramid may have been part of a system that generated wireless electricity, similar to what Nikola Tesla envisioned thousands of years later. The theory suggests that underground water channels beneath the pyramid could have provided piezoelectric energy through vibrations, which the pyramid then amplified and possibly transmitted across long distances. Some even speculate that the pyramid could have been part of a global network of ancient energy centers, many of which align with ley lines or Earth's energy grid. Mainstream Egyptology, of course, dismisses these claims, but conspiracy theorists argue that the lack of soot on the walls, despite being deep inside and supposedly lit by torches, supports the idea of non-combustion-based lighting, perhaps electrical or energy-based. They believe that this knowledge has been buried, either lost through the ages or intentionally suppressed to prevent humanity from unlocking clean, limitless energy. To many conspiracy theorists, the mystery of the Egyptian pyramids isn't just about how they were built, but why the full truth about them is being hidden. This line of thinking suggests that governments, in collaboration with powerful institutions such as museums, universities, and religious organizations, are deliberately suppressing discoveries that could rewrite history as we know it. The idea is that if the true origin and purpose of the pyramids were revealed, be it alien contact, lost ancient technology, or global precataclysmic civilizations, it would shatter the foundations of modern science, religion, and societal control. Numerous reports over the years have fueled this belief. Whispers of sealed-off chambers, hidden tunnels, and anomalous artifacts discovered inside or beneath the pyramids, only to be quickly removed or denied, have stirred suspicions. For example, in 2017, a massive void was discovered inside the Great Pyramid using advanced scanning technology. While mainstream researchers suggested it might be a previously unknown chamber, conspiracy theorists jumped on the idea, claiming it could house suppressed relics or advanced machinery from a forgotten era. Additionally, there are claims that early explorers and Egyptologists, particularly during the 19th and 20th centuries, came across strange items such as metallic tools, star maps, or even non-human skeletons, but were pressured by colonial governments or secret societies to stay silent. Organizations like the Smithsonian or the Vatican are often implicated in these theories, accused of hoarding ancient knowledge to maintain a carefully constructed narrative about humanity's past. From this perspective, every official explanation, whether it's that the pyramids were tombs or that they were built with simple tools and slave labor, is part of a broader cover-up, meant to keep people from asking deeper questions about human origins, lost civilizations, and our potential for technological greatness. To conspiracy theorists, the truth isn't just hidden, it's being actively buried. Whether viewed as tombs, ancient machines, or messages left by otherworldly visitors, the pyramids of Egypt continue to defy simple explanations. Their alignment, construction, and enduring mystery have sparked countless theories, many of which challenge mainstream history and push us to reconsider what humanity once knew, or what may have been deliberately forgotten. While hard evidence remains elusive and skeptics dismiss much of it as speculation, the questions persist: who built the pyramids, how did they do it, and why does so much surrounding them remain shrouded in secrecy? Until those answers are fully uncovered, the pyramids will remain more than just relics. They'll stand as symbols of the unknown, daring us to keep questioning.